These tips are meant for short bouts of hiccups. If you have chronic hiccups that last for more than 48 hours, talk with your doctor. This may be a sign of an underlying condition requiring treatment.
Number 1. Practice measured breathing. Disrupt your respiratory system with slow, measured breathing. Breathe in for 5 seconds, and out slowly for another 5 seconds. Number 2. Hold your breath. Inhale a large gulp of air and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. Then breathe out slowly. Repeat as necessary. Number 3. Breathe into a paper bag. Place a paper lunch bag over your mouth and nose. Slowly breathe in and out, deflating and inflating the bag completely. Be sure to never use a plastic bag of any kind. Number 4. Drink ice water. Slowly sipping cold water may help stimulate the vagus nerve. Number 5. Compress your chest. Lean or bend forward to compress your chest, which puts pressure on your diaphragm. Number 6. Suck on a lemon. Some people add a bit of salt to their lemon slice. Be sure to rinse out your mouth with water to protect your teeth from the citric acid. Number 7. Suck on an ice cube. Suck on the ice cube for a few minutes, then swallow it once it shrinks to a reasonable size. Number 8. Eat a spoonful of honey or peanut butter. Allow it to dissolve in your mouth a bit before swallowing. Number 9. Eat some sugar. Put a pinch of granulated sugar on your tongue and let it sit there for 5 to 10 seconds, then swallow. Number 10. Tap or rub the back of your neck. Rubbing the skin at the back of your neck may stimulate your phrenic nerve. Number 11. Distract yourself with something engaging. Hiccups often go away on their own when you stop focusing on them. Play a video game, fill out a crossword puzzle, or do some calculations in your head. Finally, if you struggle with chronic hiccups and nothing is giving you relief, speak with your doctor. Your hiccups might suck in the moment, but on the bright side, there are answers when it comes to how to get rid of hiccups. You just might have to experiment before landing on the right one for you.